What a ride that guy got. That is hard on your front end, I can tell you that. Smoking